Depositing money to your Revolut account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Make sure you have the latest version of the Revolut application installed on your device. Log in to your Revolut account. Here, find the accounts or a similar section in the app. If you have multiple currency accounts, select the one into which you want to deposit money. Look for an option like Add Money, Deposit, or a similar term. Revolut typically supports various deposit methods, such as bank transfers, card payments, and more. Choose the deposit method that suits you best. So depending on the deposit method, you may need to provide details such as the amount you want to deposit, the source of funds, and any other required information. After completing the transaction, wait for a confirmation message or notification from Revolut. It may take around 1 to 4 business days. Also, it may include fees depending on your plan.